Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In the last tutorial, we talked about last index of method in JavaScript. So now let's talk about map method in JavaScript. So what is map method? Okay, the map method in JavaScript is used to create a new array by applying a provided function to each element of the original array. It iterates through the array, executes the callback function on each element, and returns a new array with the result. So let's create an example for our map.js. Map.js, okay? So let's create example const numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one. And then let's create a variable that our hold the value of our map result. Okay. Let's say square numbers. Okay. Okay, let's use the numbers array, then map it. Then inside of our map, we have a callback function here as our parameter. And then let's use num and then num time 2. Okay, okay. And then let's console that log our square numbers. So let's see what is happen here. Let's run the code. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 4. So in this example, we have an array called numbers containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We use the map method to square each number in the array by applying the callback function num and then this formula. So the map method is useful when you need to transform the elements of an array based on a specific operation or logic. And then it allows you to perform a calculation, applying formatting or modify the value of an array. So yeah, I hope this explanation and example help you to understand what is a map method. So if you have other question, just comment below in our comment section. That's it. Thank you and bye bye.